Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn one of the most powerful secrets to speaking English naturally. Not grammar, not vocabulary lists, but something much more useful, chunks. Chunks are short phrases that native speakers use all the time, like I don't know, let me see, that sounds good, and you know what I mean? These are groups of words that go together naturally. You don't need to translate them. You just use them as they are. So, in this video, we will learn common chunks, practice speaking them together, use them in real conversations, all right. Now that you know what a chunk is, let's practice together. I will say each chunk slowly, then I'll give you an example. After that, it's your turn. Repeat after me. Just like shadowing. Ready? Let's go. Learn 10 everyday chunks. Chunk 1. How's it going? Example. Hey, James. How's it going? Repeat after me. How's it going? Chunk 2. Not bad, you? Example. How's it going? Not bad, you? Repeat after me. Not bad, you? Chunk 3. Long time no see. Example. Oh wow, long time no see. Repeat after me. Long time no see. Chunk 4. What have you been up to? Example. Hey, what have you been up to lately? Repeat after me. What have you been up to? Chunk 5. Same old. Example. What have you been up to? Same old. Repeat after me. Same old. Chunk 6. I'm not sure. Example. Are we meeting at 5? I'm not sure. Repeat after me. I'm not sure. Chunk 7. That sounds good. Example. Let's meet for lunch. That sounds good. Repeat after me. That sounds good. Chunk 8. Let me think. Example. What should we do this weekend? Let me think. Repeat after me. Let me think. Chunk 9. I don't feel like it. Example. Want to go out tonight? I don't feel like it. Repeat after me. I don't feel like it. Chunk 10. You know what I mean? Example. Sometimes people talk too much. You know what I mean. Repeat after me. You know what I mean? Real dialogue with chunks. Great job. You just learned 10 powerful chunks that people use every day. But how do we use them in real life? Let's find out now. I'll show you a short conversation between two friends. Listen carefully and try to catch the chunks we just learned. After the dialogue, you'll get a chance to repeat the lines. Ready? Let's go. Anna and Max meet by chance at a local cafe. Let's listen. Anna. Hey, Max. How's it going? Max. Oh, wow. Long time no see. Anna. I know, right? What have you been up to? Max. Same old. Just work and more work. Anna.
Yeah,
I get it. Let me think. When was the last time we met? Max. Maybe Emily's birthday? Anna. That's right. That was wild. You know what I mean? Max, totally. Want to grab a drink or something? Anna, that sounds good. There's a new cafe across the street. Max. I'm not sure. It might be crowded. Anna, true. The one here is fine. Not bad, you? Max, I don't feel like it today. Let's just chill here. Shadowing practice. Nice work. You heard the conversation between Anna and Max. Now it's your turn. Let's practice line by line. I'll say each line and you'll repeat after me. Speak out loud. Don't be shy. Ready? Let's begin. Hey. Max, how's it going? Repeat, how's it going? Oh, wow. Long time no see. Repeat, long time no see. I know, right? What have you been up to? Repeat, what have you been up to? Same old, same old. Just work and more work. Repeat, same old, same old.
Yeah,
I get it. Repeat,
yeah,
I get it. Let me think. When was the last time we met? Repeat, let me think. Maybe Emily's birthday. Repeat, Emily's birthday. That's right. That was wild. You know what I mean? Repeat, you know what I mean? Totally. Want to grab a drink or something? Repeat, want to grab a drink or something? That sounds good. Repeat, that sounds good. There's a new cafe across the street. Repeat, there's a new cafe across the street. I'm not sure. It might be crowded. Repeat, I'm not sure. True. The one here is fine. Not bad, you? Repeat, not bad, you? I don't feel like it today. Let's just chill here. Repeat, I don't feel like it. Final motivation and what's next. Great job today. You didn't just learn words. You learned chunks real English that people use every day, and you practice them with me in a real conversation. If you enjoyed this lesson and you want more, leave a comment below saying, I love chunks. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. In the next video, we'll learn 10 more useful chunks for making suggestions and asking for help. Until then, keep practicing, keep speaking, and never stop learning. See you next time.